Good morning, everyone. My name is Nartana. I'm studying in final year BDS. So my topic for today is when we go for operative care and when we go for non-operative care in dentistry. So basically, when we have to make such a decision, so we should know about what is non-operative care. Right. So first, non-operative care. This means no cutting, no drilling. We try to save the tooth naturally. We choose non-operative care when caries is early incipient, lesion is non-cavitated, pulp is healthy, or reversible pulpitis, gingival health, periodontal diseases are not extravagated or very bad. So early periodontal diseases, in such cases and all, we go for non-operative care. How do we do it? Fluoride application, sealant, oral hygiene instructions, scaling. So problem is initial early, we go for non-operative care. So what is operative care? So of course operative care is drilling, cutting and restoring. All such techniques, all such procedures comes under non-operative care. So this is when the caries are cavitated, when the pulp is irreversible, there is irreversible pulpitis, periodontal health is compromised. On such condition we go for operative care. Here we do cavity and restore, or if it's severe, if the pulp is exposed, if the cavity has been progressed into the pulp, then we do root canal treatment, or if it is even worse, if the tooth cannot be conserved even after root canal treatment, we go for extraction. So all such procedures will come under non-operative care. So yeah, we just see the scan of the particular tooth, or we will take orthopantogram to see the caries progression, and after that we will come to a decision which treatment we have to go to. If the caries is very minimal, if it is not that deep, then we don't have to go to restorative or root canal treatment. Yeah, we can use remineralizing gel and all such products to remineralize and to go for operative care, instead of going to non-operative care where certain tooth structure is compromised in the treatment. Yeah, that's the topic for today. Thank you.